Okay, so this battery pack is so that your sink can advertise, can glow red if you got hot water, blue if you got cold water. So 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal, food waste disposal, 1/3 horsepower. And it's been unplugged, so it's not working. It's got an air pump on it. You want to make sure that it works on the day of inspection. There's the control button right there. We've got underneath here, we've got provisions. I can't see because the wall's closed up, but we do have provisions for waste pattern venting system for the sink, so that's a good thing. Dishwasher, we can't operate it because it is hooked up. It is plugged up, but we can't operate the dishwasher because the sink is clogged. The sink is clogged, so that's what's going on there. The fireplace, this control button right here turns the fireplace on. There we go. Now I get it, this floor is probably not very burnable. There's our flame right there, instant romance. Alright. And somebody opened their big mouth and, okay, romance over. Romance over. Now, the manufacturer's installation instructions supersedes code. It supersedes code. So, if they don't think that a hearth extension is necessary out here, then that's the manufacturer's specifications. Alright? The code says that you should have a hearth extension. The code says that you should get your fresh air supply from the exterior. But if they're okay with this like this, then read the manufacturer's instructions, because a lot of fireplaces like this, a lot of people don't notice this, but the manufacturer actually recommends to crack or open a window when they're operated. So it's something you might want to take into consideration. Over here, this is the gas supply for the cooktop. But cooktops that are plumbed in, ranges are exempt from this. But cooktops and gas ovens and gas cooktops that are piped in like this, they should have a sediment trap. They should, like the furnaces have. They should have a sediment trap. Okay, that's the main gas shutoff. The water shut off for your sink over here. Okay, for your faucet, the water shut off. How come I'm not getting any water? All I wanted was a drink. How come I'm not getting any water? This is the water shut-off valve over here. Parallel is on, perpendicular is off. They've turned it off. So you're going to want this green handle to be perpendicular, and you're going to want the builder to show you how this faucet works up here. All the burners work. Okay. So I've been in the oven. To be honest, I haven't messed with the oven yet. Okay. Wonder how I do that. Okay, so I do bake. 325. I want 350. Oven options. Light. I want light on in there. There we go. That's easy. You can actually figure that out. Okay. Moving along. This is the mud room. This is for the other refrigerator. Or maybe you got a big freezer. GFCI protected. That's for the ice maker. You're supposed to have a trim ring around that. We can't run our dishwasher because it's going to drain into the sink, and our sink is clogged. Our garbage disposal doesn't work. This is for the other refrigerator. So one refrigerator over there and one refrigerator over here. Put beer in the laundry now. That should be hot water towards us. Pretty cool. Wait a minute. What am I seeing here? Let's take a look. Inquiry might water up. Oh, I don't see nothing. I got down here. It lights a little better on these old eyes. Okay. We're doing good. I can feel the heat coming off the water right now. There we go. Hot's on the left, cold's on the right. This should be labeled GFCI. It should be GFCI. And it is. It should be labeled GFCI. And it's not. This clothes dryer is not GFCI protected. That means that the clothes washer could be wired improperly, and you would never know that it was not wired properly without the GFCI. I heard some conversation that says, well, a lot of clothes dryers aren't wired right, so they trip the GFCI breaker. I'm going like, isn't that a good thing, knowing that the clothes washer isn't wired right? You wouldn't know it was wired wrong without the GFCI. That's actually a good thing. That's not a bad thing. Okay? The clothes dryer length is labeled. And I am going to peek up here. It's supposed to be unrestricted. And I took a picture earlier, but I'm going to kind of take the video up here with us. And picture so you'll know what I'm looking at. But it looks like it might be not a continuous smooth surface. Or it may be a continuous smooth surface. But it looks like I cannot ascertain that it actually is a continuous smooth surface until I look at it on my computer and blow it all up so that these tired old eyes can see it. These are the thermostats for the water heaters. Both the water heaters. You got one on the north wall, one on the south wall. We're in the primary bedroom closet, or one of them. There's two primary bedroom closets. No water here. No water at the primary bedroom, suite, bathroom, west lavatory. We got water over here. Yeah, we do. What's going on underneath here that we don't have any water? No, that's pretty boring. So those little parts right there that helps dilute, mix the water. Hot's on the left, cold's on the right. This is our bathtub. Coming on along. This is our shower. I'm going to take this. Just trying to help it drain a little bit. Don't want to say that you got a clog if you don't have a clog. So you got two handles. This is volume. And this is temperature. I don't have any gasket on the bottom of the door. Inside we got pretty big. We don't have gaskets on our door. Primary bedroom, suite, bathroom, shower enclosure door does not have gaskets. So if you're in here and you're washing your feet and stuff and splashing around, and the water comes out onto the floor. Moving on along. Looks like my client's got a little problem with that up there. I do too. I do too. We're missing a lot of our receptacle outlet cover plates. In fact, I don't remember testing these. So there's no time like the present, right? A lot of these I have tested, but I did not remember these. So if I don't remember them, what does that tell us? It tells us I just now checked them. That's what it's telling us. Haven't checked this yet. Bye, Timmy. Okay. Smoothing all around. So this would be our linen closet, I'm guessing. We got some doors here. Where do these doors go to? That's kind of interesting. We got doors there, door there, door there. Okay, we got more doors than we need. All right. Maybe these doors are going to be replaced. But that one's broken. Why would you replace this door with a broken one? A lot of our door stoppers are loose or missing. This is all open. We are in the primary bedroom suite. Okay? We're in the primary bedroom suite. This is the south wall. And I just want to remind everybody, if there was water damage involved in this, I don't think there was in this particular one, but if there's water damage involved in this, then the insulation needs to be replaced in that area. Okay? It might look fine to you, it looks fine to me, but if it's been wet, it's been compromised and will not operate like the way it's supposed to. This is the thermostat. This is the downstairs thermostat. Upstairs thermostat is upstairs in that hallway. Okay, downstairs is down here outside of the primary bedroom suite. Okay, that's a good place for it, by the way. There's a good places for the thermostats. Moving on along, let's see how our heat's doing.
Hey, Bob.
Yes.
Upstairs.
Yes, ma'am.